Trying to sell your home but not getting offers. Frustrated by open houses with no result. You're not alone. But here's the good news. The problem isn't your home, it's how it's being marketed and positioned. Hi, I'm Todd Kingsley, your trusted luxury realtor in Los Angeles. Over the years, I've worked with many sellers just like you who are ready to give up, only to turn things around with the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you the top mistakes that could be costing you buyers, how to avoid them, and a bonus tip that can completely transform your selling experience. If your home hasn't sold yet, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes homeowners make. So what's stopping your home from selling? After working with countless sellers, I've noticed that the same mistakes pop up time and time again, and they can make or break your chances of selling. Let's break them down one by one so you know exactly what to avoid. So mistake number one, overpricing your home. Overpricing is one of the most common mistakes, and I get it. You're attached to your home and you've put a lot into it. But the truth is, buyers are looking at what your home offers compared to similar properties on the market, not the emotional value you've attached to it. Think of it like this. Imagine two lemonade stands on a hot day. Both are selling the same lemonade, but one is charging $2 and the other is charging $5. Which one do you think people will choose? Even worse, an overpriced home can sit on the market so long that buyers start to wonder, what's wrong with it? This doesn't mean you have to settle for a low price. Pricing it right is a skill, and with the right marketing, you can still get top dollar. Mistake number two is poor marketing. Did you know that over half of home buyers find their homes online? If your home isn't marketed professionally, you're missing out on your biggest audience. Here's the reality. Buyers expect high-quality photos, video walkthroughs, and a strong online presence. A blurry photo or outdated listing isn't just unappealing, it's a deal breaker. Effective marketing is about creating a buzz, showing off your home's best features, and making it irresistible to potential buyers. Mistake number three, ignoring curb appeal and interior condition. There's a saying, don't judge a book by its cover, but let's be honest. Buyers absolutely judge your home the moment they pull up to the curb. An overgrown lawn, peeling paint, or cluttered interior can make buyers walk away before they even give your home a chance. It doesn't take a major renovation. Simple fixes like fresh landscaping, a clean front door, or even just decluttering can make a world of difference. Mistake number four is not listening to feedback. Selling a home is a process and feedback is a gift if you're open to it. Some sellers resist making changes, whether it's adjusting the price, staging the home, or addressing small issues. But ignoring feedback only makes it harder to sell. The good news, when you're willing to adapt, you can turn things around quickly. Buyers aren't shy about pointing out what's stopping them from making an offer. So take that input seriously. Now that we've covered the biggest mistakes, let's talk about solutions. How do you fix these issues and finally get your home sold? Now that we've talked about the common mistakes homeowners make, let's focus on how to fix them. They aren't just ideas, they are proven strategies that work when selling a home in today's competitive market. Solution one is price it right. One of the most critical factors in selling your home is pricing it correctly. Buyers look at your home compared to others on the market, so if it's overpriced, they'll skip it without a second thought. Here's a reality check. The first 2 to 3 weeks your home is on the market are like a grand opening. It's when your listing gets the most attention and excitement. If buyers aren't showing up, that's your first red flag. It's like throwing a party and no one RSVPs. Something needs to change, and fast. By pricing your home right from the beginning, you'll attract serious buyers and avoid the dreaded stale listing effect. Start by researching homes in your neighborhood that are similar in size, style, and condition. Look at comparable properties within a half-a-mile radius of your home. If there aren't enough comparable sales in that range, expand your search slightly. But be careful not to compare your home to properties in vastly different neighborhoods or markets. If that sounds like a lot of work, don't worry, that's where I come in. As a realtor, I analyze the market trends, recent sales, and buyer behavior to determine the perfect price of your home. The goal is to generate interest while maximizing your return. Solution 2, professional marketing. Marketing is the key to getting your home noticed. In today's world, Buyers start their search online, which means your home needs to shine on every platform. High-quality photos and video walkthroughs aren't optional, they're essential. I also go beyond the basics. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are powerful tools to showcase your home. Whether it's a short video reel or an engaging post, I ensure your home reaches thousands of potential buyers. Think of it as creating a highlight reel that makes your home impossible to ignore. Solution 3, boost the curb appeal and interior condition. First impressions matter. When buyers pull up to your home, they're making a snap judgment about its value and condition. Small updates like fresh landscaping, painting the front door, or updating exterior lighting can make a big impact. Inside, it's all about creating a clean, inviting space. You don't need a full renovation, but decluttering, staging, and small updates can help buyers imagine themselves living there. This step is often overlooked, but it can make the difference between a showing and an offer. Solution 4 is staying open to feedback. Selling home is a team effort, and feedback is one of your greatest tools. If buyers aren't biting, it's important to figure out why. Sometimes it's a price adjustment, sometimes it's reworking the marketing, and sometimes it's a small update that makes all the difference. The key is to stay flexible. I work closely with my clients to adapt quickly and ensure we're putting the home in the best possible light. When you're willing to make adjustments, the results can be dramatic. By focusing on these solutions, you can avoid the most common mistakes and set yourself up for a successful sale. But there's one more strategy that can completely change the game. Let's talk about it next. The bonus tip, the creative twist. If you want to go beyond the basics and truly stand out in the market, it's time to get creative. Selling a home isn't just about price and marketing. It's about showcasing your property in a way that resonates with potential buyers. Every home has unique features that makes it special, whether it's a beautifully landscaped backyard, a spacious open floor plan, or a cozy, inviting living room. Highlighting these standout elements helps potential buyers picture themselves living there and creating their own memories. One approach I love is elevating your home story with stunning visuals. This includes professional photos and video tours that highlight your home's best features from every angle. Imagine a video that starts with a sweeping exterior shot and flows seamlessly through your home, focusing on the details buyers care about most, like an updated kitchen or a luxurious primary suite. These polished visuals grab attention and help your home stand out in a crowded market. If your home has been on the market for a while, it's also worth considering a reintroduction. Think of it as giving your property a fresh start. This could involve updating the listing with new photos, refreshing the description to highlight different aspects of the property, or repositioning the price to capture the attention of a new group of buyers. Sometimes just a small change in presentation can make a big difference. The key is to adapt and approach the process with creativity. Buyers are drawn to homes that evoke a sense of possibility and excitement. And by showcasing your home's unique personality, we can help it stand out and attract the right buyer. Selling your home doesn't have to be stressful, and you don't have to navigate it alone. Whether it's pricing your home right, marketing it professionally, or finding creative ways to make it stand out, every step we take is designed to help you succeed. If you've been feeling stuck or frustrated, it's not too late to turn these things around. With the right strategy, your home can go from sitting on the market to being the one buyers are excited to see. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you faced any of these challenges? Or maybe you're ready to take action. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. When you're ready, schedule a free consultation so we can create a tailored plan to sell your home quickly and at the right price. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm here to help you navigate the LA real estate market every step in the way, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.